In this scene, we have combined different styles. In addition to our wooden furniture, we have wall clocks, paintings, new ceramic collections, and wooden fish. The result is a welcoming setting. Our range of wall clocks covers diameters ranging from 25 to 80 centimeters in both metal and wooden frames. The ones that we show in this scene reflect a classic nautical heritage with designs that use the compass rose, telegraphs, and various clock faces. The furniture that we show is made of solid tropical wood and finished with special patinas. Nautically inspired prints have been used to give that touch that only years at the seaside can provide. Three-dimensional paintings made from paper collage use maps, posters and drawings to cut out and create overlays that end up forming fishes, whales, lobsters, and even landscapes. On the shelf, shaped like a boat, we show our new collection of ceramic ornaments. All the pieces are handmade and use different finishes and textures to make each object unique. The collection is completed by 2 red crabs and 2 hermit crabs that provide an amusing touch, along with 3 sea urchins of different sizes, whitish tones, and a unique finish. Our coral paintings are striking. These are fine paper sculptures painted in bright colours that bring joy to any room. And finally, the collection of wooden fish in vivid colours are inspired by African art.